Hello, guys, and welcome back. Today, we're going to be doing a completely normal market scan. There we go. It's going to be the one that's following up from yesterday. Keep in mind that since we're in June, like I've mentioned a lot previously, the markets are very quiet now. June, July, dead months. It's like January and December. And also keep in mind that I've already hit my monthly max, so I will not be entering any of these trades that I'm sharing. I was very fortunate in my unfortunacy because I won it every month. Remember, from if you go look at previous video, you'll hear that we talk about that. Anyways, let's get to it. All right, so looking back at headline risk, they seem to have some kind of peace agreement signed out. But one thing that is very strange to me is that so Iran is demanding that the genocide in Gaza stops. That's in the peace treaty. They're also demanding that Israel stops bombing, killing civilians in Lebanon, in southern Lebanon. And Israel doesn't give a flying fuck about that. But US Iran prepare for deal signing with both claiming victory. So what I'm expecting on this is quite bullish movement. But this looks very fragile to me. Again, Iran has put it as an official stipulation to end the genocide in Gaza and to stop bombing Lebanon, southern Lebanon. Iran doesn't give a shit. No, sorry, they do. Israel doesn't give a shit. So what the fuck? Is this peace deal gonna get signed and broken the next day? That could create some nice BOs, a nice market for that, and we'll just see how it develops. Regardless, SPY is looking very good, healthy on that same upward trend. Dollar index still stable. It's within that range, even though historically it is pretty aggressive. As for the pairs that I posted, this one moved nowhere. Even if you went on a lower time frame to find a CR, you wouldn't have gotten a you wouldn't have gotten a R that's tradable here. Like, what are you gonna do with this? You gonna trade a 1R, bro? Hell no. So this is no longer a valid setup. But also, this was on Monday, and setups are never technically valid on Monday. Monday isn't a profitable day to enter. The win rate is so low. So there's not much to do with this. This one is looking a lot more promising. The momentum is strong, very strong here. It depends if it ends on an indecision candle or whether it decides to break through. We'll see that on the next candle. But that's in 3 hours. Some people are just gonna go snooze and not give a shit. But it can easily continue. You could do double entry stop order on this one with the CR and a BO. You can even also look for a continuation here. I mean, there's a lot to work with, so I'm going to keep this one here. This one is approaching closer now. So this is now a close potential. If we hop down on the time frame, this is going to look a lot clearer. Yeah. So this is forming somewhat of an indecision candle. Yeah, for sure. You're going to be CT on this one, so don't go high R if you do enter that one after close. Wait for close, after close. And beyond that, we got nothing more to comment on those. So let's look through the other pairs and see if there is anything else interesting there. Oh, Bitcoin. Potential continuation trade here. What's that thing? A lot of good stuff today. Bro, what the fuck am I talking about? Channel close. It's Tuesday now, but yeah, but you still need them for confirmation. I'm gonna get them all up as potentials. Scrutinize them, see if they're valid, reevaluate. That one broke through. This one is still within its element. Here's that sound. Oh, you guys can't hear it. It sounds like someone is cutting something up or some shit. Like not wood. Like something strange, bro. Reversal here, but nothing to comment on. This isn't a BO because this would have been a continuation potential. 400 MA is in the way. I know what you're thinking. Same here. Level just isn't there for this. Mm. I made a lot on this one. Yeah, yeah. I don't remember. I mean, I don't remember my exact price, but those that have been in the Discord for a while have probably some idea about my recommendation. I remember that. I was pretty confident with this one, and it did pay off. I can show it, I believe. We're gonna have to use some editorial stuff though. I'll show you guys at the end of the video. Anyways, let's keep going down. I told you guys this is about the actual barrel price and speculative price not matching. It dropped a lot earlier, so I was anticipating a drop, and it reminded me a lot of silver, and I bet on it going down, and that motherfucker dropped. So I'm happy with that. So yeah, yeah, okay. I understand your point. I can already hear you guys like through the Discord. Yeah, yeah, I get it. I get it. We're gonna look at it. Fuck that. Inflated. Yeah, could be something. Oh, we gotta clean out. There's too many setups now. Finally rebounding here. There's nothing yet. Could keep going down a little bit. I don't know. So let's get all the potentials in. There's a lot to work with today. A ton. Don't enter more. If these trigger, pick your 5 best ones. Don't open 7 trades, bro. You can lose 7% if you lose all of them. You're gonna watch your account tank. What the fuck? So in regards to this one right here, you can see it's a clear CR formula. We got double support here with the MA and everything on the 1 day. On the 12 hour, it's not forming yet. On the 8 hour either. This is looking like a 1 day trade. Here we're seeing the same, but this is so WT that I'd wait for a BO for this one. Same here. There's very strong momentum. If you hop down on lower time frames, you can probably catch it earlier. As for this one right here, same with the BO, but here you are CT, so I'd be a bit more careful with this one. And here it will be it would be a completely standard continuation. The continuation has already been validated on the 12 hour. I can mark this one as green in case one of you guys enter that. I'll put in the entries later. I'm not gonna enter it myself, remember. This one right here, we discussed in the beginning of the video, it just has to show us something more. We need the candle to look close. As for this one is breaking through strongly. It has already hit new highs. So, I mean, just wait for it to close and capitalize on this one unless it booms before it closes. So that said, that's the market analysis concluded. If you got any questions or anything, feel free to hop in the Discord. It'll be linked in the description below. And also, I'm wondering if I should talk more about the RICO case or anything like that. If there's any interest, I'll be gone for a while, the whole week for the trial. So we'll see what happens then. But I'm here this week, right? So we got this week together. All right, so ending, this is showing how my oil trade did. The long-term one, I went up 27%, but this is separate. So I'm pretty happy with how that went. There isn't really much to say about that, except that I'm very happy with it. 27% onto my account. It's not gonna count on my total. This is something different. This was a long-term trade. And I did just risk 1% for that. So I'm good with that. I told you guys. Told you it was going down. Told you it was going down. All right. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you probably tomorrow. Most likely. Thank you. Bye bye.